Alright, welcome to the day 3 again. This is a 2B Joshua Ruben, your normal facilitator. So this is where we stop from our last class and the last lesson I did. So we're going to continue from here. Okay, so after creating the floor plan on the natural ground level, you can view it in your 3D perspective. Okay, so after creating it, the next thing is to go to the next level you are to work on. Okay, so I told you every work we're going to do on Revit is level by level, just like you're building in reality. Today you do your concrete fascia, today you do your window marking, tomorrow foundation footing, just like the way stages of building in reality is. That's how you also deal with Revit. So after achieving your natural ground level, okay, the next thing you're to do is to actually put your concrete oversight concrete, yes, oversight concrete, and it can also serve as your floor. So you can just go here, structure, pick slab. Okay, if you drop it, you see slab and foundation, structural foundation slab and floor slab. Okay, so we're going to use the structural foundation plan. Okay, so you're going to pick each of the wall, each of the wall. You're going to pick it round. Okay, so if you see it now, you can see this line. So everything is supposed to loop outside. Okay, see this line has gone down, so you're going to trim it. You see trim at the top here. Okay, so you pick the first trim, you click on the line here and here. Okay, so you see it's asking you to unjoin the line. You tell him unjoin. Okay, you click on this and this. Okay, you see now this is where the floor slab is going to follow. You click this and this to cut this. Okay, also click this and this so that you cut this. Okay, you see it, right? Just forget this is your starting line, so that's why it's 3, showing you 3 lines. Okay, so if you do it very well like this, you click finish. So you go to your 3D. Let me show you what you've done. Okay, so you see there's floor, but if you observe, the floor is beneath the floor plan, which is wrong, because beneath is our natural ground level. So you're going to click on it to bring it up to the next level. Okay, it was so you see level here. Okay, so you click on it, tell it to go to ground floor, because it's on the ground floor that the floor stop, the slab is supposed to be made. So you can see. Okay, so you see now, so you have your floor plan and your oversight concrete. So you go back to your natural ground level, you see there. Okay, so the next thing to do to raise this building to the height of building that we need is to double click on your ground floor. Okay, once you double click on your ground floor, you will see that the floor plan did not appear, nothing appear on the interface. Okay, so you cannot actually start drawing to assume where your floor plan is. So what you do is to go to this underlay and click on this none. It will bring other items out. So you click on what you want to trace, which is the natural ground level. You know, we did our drawing on natural ground level, so you click on natural ground level and you apply. Now here comes your what? Your drawing. Okay, here comes your drawing. Now you may be asking, where is the 4 elevation, the 4 arrow elevation? I of course hide it, so I can actually bring it back if you want to see it. Look at them here. Okay, you can bring them back on hide elements, on hide elements. So let's bring them back so that you won't get confused. So but as time goes on, I'll tell you why I hide it. Okay, there's actually a reason why I did that, but for now, so you unlock your hidden elements. Okay, let me see, zoom to fit. Okay, they are not still showing, but that's not a problem. That's not a problem. Let me see, on hide by category. Okay, here are they. Here are they. Here are they. I think the third one is still hiding, but that's not a problem. Alright, so the next thing you're going to do after you press the underlay and the NGL, it will appear with your floor plan, the floor plan you did under. So after that, you go back to your architecture menu bar, pick the wall. This time around, you don't need to edit anything on the wall. Even the top constraint, it will keep arranging itself. So the only thing, after picking wall, you just go trace the walls around the house, trace all of them, trace them, trace them, trace them. Press escape. You take it from the middle. Okay, yes, each time you see that dotted line, that's where you're to drop. Okay, drop at the middle point, drop, pick it from here, drop, pick from here, drop. Drop, drop, drop. Drop. Okay, so after all of this, so you can view it in your 3D, you can see it. Your building is at the exact 3.6 meters we gave it, so you can actually go and check it on your elevation if you stop there. Now can you see it's exactly at the 3 meters that we stop it. So from here now, your concrete parapet can do what? Can start. Okay, so you exit it here, and this is your what? Your level. Okay, so you've succeeded in developing the floor plan to the height of the building and the exact height at which you gave it. So you're going to stop here, or let me just show you little things on how to actually apply your windows. Or no, maybe that will be in our next class, but let's just go through opening of walls. Okay, so if you check this, supposing to be my parking lots or my entrance porch, okay, but it's not open, it's closed. So we're going to open this wall, and I think we're going to also create a little setback here so that we open it and we all learn. Okay, so I want to create an opening here, an opening here, and an opening here. So what you're going to do, you take it to your 3D. If you take it to your 3D, you press the south for it to sit like an elevation. Okay, so after that, you zoom it, then you click on the wall where you want to create the opening. You click on the wall, then you go to edit profile. Okay, edit profile. Now you can see a pink line there. Then you delete the line at the bottom. You delete it. Okay, then you pick line from the top right hand side. You pick it, you begin to draw exactly what you want. Okay, 500, you go up to 2700. Okay, that's for that. The same thing happens here, 500, you go up 2700. It will mark. Once you see that dotted line, it is correct. Then you give it 200, 100, 200. Okay, the same thing happens here, 200, 100, 200. Then you carry, you escape, then you pick radius arc, you connect here, you connect here. Okay, then you drop it, you come to the middle, you drop it, right? Then you finish up. Now you can see our opening. We've succeeded in opening our what? Our frontage. Now we also want to open this side. You also want to open this side of the word building. You click on it, then click on your east so that it will sit like an elevation. You go to edit word profile. Click on edit profile. After you click on edit profile, don't delete this line. Okay, it's a very long line. I told you earlier on that you delete the bottom line, but this one you just drag it. Once you click on it, you drag it to stop at the wall where your entrance door will start. Okay, so you stop it here, pick line, then you begin to draw 2700. You give it your dimension 2700. Okay, then let's take for instance 200 stopped here. You project your 500 here. Okay, so 200, you pick your arc, you come to the middle and you drop it. Okay, so it's not going to work. Do you know why? Because there's no connection here. Okay, check it out. You see, Revit is marking out. So you must actually connect each and every line. If not, it won't work. It won't work. So let's delete this line and redraw it. Let's pick our arc, place it here, place it there, and you drop it. Okay, let's see. Nice. Okay, so you can see I've achieved creating openings here and there, and the last side is this side. Okay, you click on it, drop it, edit profile. You don't delete it because this is an entire wall. It enter into the building. So the only thing, you drag this ball. Look at drag line to the end. You drag it. Okay, you pick your line and you draw again. You can actually trace the former one. You don't need to put dimension anymore because the former drawing is showing you everything. You connect them, and you draw. Yes, so we've succeeded in doing what? In creating our openings for our building. Okay, so in the next class I'm going to show you how to use your component, how to apply windows, doors, and I think for now that's just it. Cheers and God bless you.